Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, but I'm gonna try to do it quick as possible. These should be the control arms. Came in the box. So it said 100% performing, testing, premium component meets exceed OEM, meet or exceed OEM specification. Chassis parts. Try my best to get this open, and I really don't want to mess up the box in case they send me the wrong thing or whatever the source. So I had to keep the box and send it off the same way. I'm having a hard time doing it with one hand. I should have my what you call it, a tripod with me. Alright, here we go. So there's one side, one side right here, the other side is right here, and the ball joints is right here. So get all these replaced, feel me, brand new, since I never changed. I got the pins in there as well. You can see the pin. Yeah, pin right there. Get them replaced from my Avalon, and it sends you the paper as well too. Unit, it said front lower control arm, front lower control arm, front lower ball joint, and the driver side, and the front lower ball joints, passenger side. And also, I bought these parts off eBay. I read and I look through, because you're going to have a lot of options, and it's going to be really just find the best one. Not because it's cheap. Sometimes cheap on the price, but cheap in quality is not good. So I like the way how I read, and it said 100% performance testing, which they could lie, because company, if they want their product to be sold, they're going to say anything. You're not going to go to a fish market and they're going to tell you that their fish don't smell stink. You feel me? So this one meets or exceeds the OEM. OEM is basically the original equipment manufacturer specification. This means that it meets the OEM, which is the original manufacturer from Toyota, and or exceeds it. So go further beyond, works even better than it. Which, hey, it could be the same makers. They don't have to be true. They could be lying, but I do my investigation and I try to look for the best quality. You feel me? So yeah, guys, I'm happy. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, enjoy this unboxing. I would take them out of the plastic. Matter of fact, I am going to take them out of the plastic. I don't want you guys to see. I'm not going to throw away the plastic, and I'm not going to try to rip the plastic the wrong way, but I'm going to take them out. Alright, here we go. I took them out of the plastic. I didn't want to open up the ball joint due to I don't want to lose that little pin, but ain't nothing special. Hopefully you guys can see. This is how the ball joint looks. See it? I didn't want to bust them open. I could bust open the control arm because they're huge, and I don't want to lose the pin for the ball joint. Mine's, if you guys see how bad my ball joint is, not my ball joint, but my control arm, like the rubber in between here is so bad. When I look under my car, when I took my wheel off and I look at it, I was like, yo, it's bad. So hopefully this hold up what they say it's supposed to do, you know, hold up the standards even better than the original quality of the manufacturer, better than the OEM. That'll be awesome. These don't really go bad like that. It takes years to, you know, and it takes years, and also it depends on your driving style. Do your best not to drop into no potholes. Do your best to stay off of roads that's just no good. I know sometimes we don't have a choice, but sometimes, you know, you driving places and you don't know where you're going. You take a back road or take an off road, or, you feel me, take a road that you're not used to due to an accident or whatever the GPS takes you to. Just take your time. Don't speed. Don't drive like a maniac. Don't just drop into any pothole. Try your best not to drive over a speed bump like you don't care about your vehicle. Take care of your product, and your product will take care of you. My friend always said that. He said he feels like if you take care of your vehicle will take care of you. And it's true, especially if you have a Toyota. A year of mine's is a 2008. I'm over 200,000 miles. It's still running strong, you know, engine good, transmission good. I do my best to keep up with my vehicle. And all vehicle is not the same, so I can't really, some you're gonna have multiple problems. I remember when I owned a Chevy Blazer, that problem, from since I had got that Chevy Blazer, I've been having problems after problems non-stop. I changed like the water pump twice in a year, which is crazy. But that's how you know certain vehicles is just not good. Certain vehicles just made cheaply and just make with cheaply parts. Like, I just don't know. But I had multiple problems when I had that Chevy Blazer, and I think it was a 2001. That was a long time ago, but that was a 2001 Chevy Blazer I had for my first birthday, for my 20, was I 21? I don't think I was 21 yet, or 20th birthday, 20 or 21st birthday. I can't remember, but it was years ago. I'm 34 years old right now. But yeah, guys, I'm happy that I'm going to get all these parts replaced. Yeah, you got to take care of your vehicle, and they'll take care of you indeed. So these are the ball joints, and these are the control arms, passenger and driver side. Passenger, driver side. Feel me? So hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. I know I struggled by opening it at the beginning because I didn't have my tripod and I wasn't showing my face either. But hope you guys enjoy the unboxing. You know, yeah, I'm happy of the buy, and I'm happy. I can't remember the price. I might leave the price in the description somewhere. But I got them off eBay. I don't know if I might drop the link in there, but I might. But it's good to have some good stuff that say, you know, 100% performing testing, 100% new premium components, and meets or exceeds the OEM specification. So chassis parts, control arm kit. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna cut it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You don't have to pay a fee or nothing for no subscription. It's basically free to subscribe, guys. It's free to subscribe. Subscribe is basically when you hit that subscribe button, every time I upload a video, it basically, you're gonna get a notification to states that I upload a video. You're gonna see the notification, and it's up to you if you want to watch my videos and learn something. Because we learn new things every single day. Every day we learn new things, guys. So, but I appreciate y'all. You know, have a blessed day. You know, take care. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Yeah, for real, have a blessed day, guys. I'm happy, and I'm truly doing my best to grow this channel even further beyond. You know, I really appreciate you guys. Peace. Bye bye. Take care. God bless. And I'm out.
keep hurting. So right now I leave it.